Cream. This is Sunshine of Your Love in the key of D. Basically, Clapton is doing a big D chord way up here, D octave. So you're on the 10th fret, D. There's the 10th fret right there. Just do a regular bar chord, and then back and forth from the D to the C. Got it? Like tequila. And then you're going to walk down the 12th fret of the A string. You're going to walk down one at a time, 3, 2, 1 on your fingers. And then you're going to hit the 10th fret of the E string. And the 8th fret of the A string. And back to the 10th of the E. So in slow motion it would be. Now the second time you do it, you're going to voice the higher part of the D chord. The difference between this and this, you're also including the G and the B string, but no higher. And here you go. So that's the 12 on the D string, the 10 on the G string, and back to the 12 on the D. So that's the second lick, okay? First lick. Second lick. Same notes, but an octave apart, okay? So that's the verse feel, actually. So I'm with you, sun shining through on you. So what I did was I went to a G there, a G power chord. So you go from the D power chord, which is the key it's in. Now it's pretty easy change, actually. You just go to the G power chord right here, which is, you know, this inversion of G. We all know that by now. So you got the 10th fret is here, right? There's your axis. And just back and forth like you did on the DC. Go back and forth on the G to an F, like this. So same chord shape, back 2 frets and up. And walk it down like this. So it's on the D string now. You're walking it down from 12, 11, 10. So 12, 11, 10, and then 10 on the A string, and then 8 on the D string. Wiggle that a little bit. Back to the 10 of the A string. So slow motion second part. That takes you to the second part of the verse. Then it goes the little turnaround, which is like the chorus. Goes A. See, so what's up? The second part. Back to the D. Then C to G, waiting so long, back to A, to B, C, G, A in the C, sunshine, G, then let the A ride. So now you got the verse, you got the chorus, and the solo is same as the verse, same verse form. Always does it. the solo on the record. There's two actually versions of it. There's the slow one, or sorry, the short one that was on the radio, and then there's a longer version on the album. Both are great. And he does some hopping around, classic early Clapton. I think he's playing an SG on that one, I forget. Or maybe the 335, I'm pretty sure. Might have been a Les Paul, I don't know. He had just come out of Mail's band, and the Yardbirds and all that. So anyway, there you go. The final thing I'm going to say is if you don't want to do it up here, you can also substitute here. It's a different sound slightly. Depends on who you're playing with and how heavy the bass is. But you can do the power chord D, which is, 5th fret here, right? Same chord. Slightly different sound. A little fatter with the bottom strings. And you can still do the walk down the same notes. Same as this. And then you can get the higher voicing by hitting the B string with it. And then go up here. Kind of stings in a cool way. Same as this. And then you're still going to need to go up to your G for the second part of each verse, which I just ran down for you. And that's it. Just make sure you get the right tone, right? I got a dirty tone here. It's a lot of fun to play that song. It's a great jam tune, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want more on that kind of style, that kind of stuff, I got my Strat always nearby. I can reach out and grab it. Hit me up at jimmydillon.com. I'd love to hear your comments, any ideas you have about songs you might want to learn or techniques. I'm glad to reply to it, and I look forward to your comments, and I hope you appreciate the lesson. We'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.